Hi, I'm Suzanne Devkota. I'm the director of the Human Microbiome Research Institute at Cedars-Sinai, and I am one of the co-organizers of the Keystone meeting on diversity, selection, and adaptation in the human microbiome. The wealth of microbiology knowledge that exists and the people in that space and bacterial genetics, really, we want to bring them into the microbiome field. And we want microbiome researchers to leverage that expertise and the deep knowledge that exists in understanding mechanisms. And we want to encourage, deeper thinking about mechanisms. And we felt the way forward to do that was to bring in these disciplines together. I think they're very complementary. So in our meeting program, we are really focused on fundamental mechanisms of host microbe interaction and microbe interactions. Our joint meeting is a bit more of a macro view, a bit more of includes talks on fungi and viruses, trans-kingdom approaches. It talks about interactions with the human immune system. So it's a much more of the macro view of microbes within their hosts. As with, I think, most of the Keystone programs in this area, we always have a section on therapeutic advance, new advances in the field, and we have that, towards the end. And I think there's some really exciting talks on bacterial engineering. I think that's a very interesting topic we want to talk about a lot in this meeting. Tools for really, how we all appreciate, we want to study mechanisms and go deeper in mechanisms, but we need the tools to be able to do so. And so we have sessions on the tools that are available and the new and the future of these tools. And so that's definitely a part of our program. But we also have a workshop on kind of a gap analysis on why, despite all the efforts in the microbiome field, why are we lacking in microbiome-based therapeutics? The poster sessions are designed to really give those who are coming who don't have an oral presentation, but their research that they're presenting is as valuable as anything else that is at the meeting. And everyone who's there, you're a captive audience, you're in the mountains in Banff, this beautiful setting, and you're there thinking about science, and you actually want to spend time going to these posters. I myself, as a trainee, when I was going to Keystones and had posters, I think I made connections at Keystones as a graduate student during my posters that I still have today, that are friends that I have today and colleagues and mentors. And so I think that's really a unique aspect. Plus, it's not just other academicians. You have clinical folks, you have industry folks who come and attend just to attend, and they have ideas and they want to learn from everyone that's there. And so I think it's a really nice mix of people that you don't often get at like the huge meetings. There's so much deep knowledge that exists, and I think with the focus on omics, we've kind of lost the knowledge that already exists, and we've been really forward focused on just discovery from big data. And I think big data is valuable, and we have a session on big data, but it's not everything. And we wanted to bring some big data people together, but also the people who have been in this field long before the microbiome field existed. And I haven't seen that as much in past meetings, and we're hoping, fingers crossed, the goal of that is that, wow, there'll be some new collaborations that really move the needle.